Getting all of your things packed, unpacked, or both for your big move can be a Herculean task. That's why we are here to help. Customers just like you call on Hourly Moving Labor when they are preparing for moving day and need 2 or 3 skilled helpers to help them pack or unpack their belongings. Many of the customers who call on us have difficulty packing fragile items or don't have the time, and they need a couple of skilled and gentle packers for a few hours or more to do the packing or unpacking for them. Customers call us to help pack their kitchen. We pack your plates, glasses, pots, pans, etc. in bedrooms. We neatly empty dressers and closets and pack into boxes. In your bathroom, we box up items under the sink and linen closet. In your living and dining rooms, we wrap and pack couch pillows, etc. If you need it packed, we can help. All you do is provide the boxes and materials, and we do the rest. If you need to know how much it will cost to purchase packing materials or how many boxes you will need, we have a chart on our website for your reference. Additionally, our rate per hour for packing, unpacking, or both is 20 to 30% less than traditional moving companies charge. Traditional moving companies charge you per box packed. This can get very expensive. We charge a low guaranteed hourly rate with a 2-hour minimum and pack as many boxes as you would like within the number of packing hours that you purchase. The reason we can offer more competitive rates than traditional moving companies is because our model is built on value and efficiency. We don't have to replace lost or misplaced moving blankets or equipment. We don't have the added cost of truck payments, maintenance, and repairs. We are able to focus solely on the things that are most important to you. Vetting, hiring and training the best packing and unpacking professionals the industry has to offer, and paying our hard-working professional packers top of the market pay, so that they are happy and proud to deliver an amazing customer experience. After booking packing help with us, online or over the phone, we dispatch a friendly team of packers to help you pack up the items in your home, storage unit, or business on your desired move date and time. Our professional packers will arrive on time and ready to work. We provide you with a GPS tracking link so that you know exactly where your lead packer is on the day of your packing job. Our modern approach to packing is designed to save you time and money while helping remove the stress from moving day. So what are you waiting for? It's almost time to get your home packed for that big move. Click the link below this video and book your packing services 100% online. Or give us a call during business hours at 1-800-604-0348. And remember, when you book Hourly Moving Labor, your back will thank you. Literally. Are you still there? Click the link. It takes 5 minutes to book packing or unpacking help online. I promise. Plus, it's super easy. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website to learn more about other service offerings by Hourly Moving Labor.